This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by enabling the phone's hotspot while staying on Wi-Fi. First, make sure your device supports concurrent tethering. Not all models do. Once done, connect to the Wi-Fi network you want to share, then open Settings and go to Hotspot. Create a short SSID and a strong WPA2 password so only authorized devices join. Make sure hotspot name is recognizable. That prevents accidental connections. This gets you into the active sharing state quickly and securely. Now configure how you'll share that Wi-Fi over the hotspot. You choose Wi-Fi sharing mode on compatible phones, otherwise use USB or Bluetooth tethering as a fallback. Limit simultaneous clients to prevent bandwidth collapse. Set max connections to 1 through 5 depending on needs. Enable data saver or prioritize traffic with co-s when available to keep latency low for critical apps. Once done, test with a single device to verify internet flows through the hotspot before adding more clients. Finish by connecting a client device to the hotspot SSID and confirm internet access. Open a web page to validate. If browsing fails, toggle Wi-Fi and hotspot off and on the host. That resets routing. Once done, restart both devices if issues persist. Also check carrier restrictions or APN settings. Some plans block Wi-Fi sharing. If everything else fails, switch to USB tethering for a direct connection. It bypasses most routing conflicts and often restores connectivity immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.